Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingy. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man, I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people, you just check in with Naya Bingy. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. So, me I say?
So, like I mentioned, a whole lot of changes have been made, especially as it relates to this house and the purpose that it will serve. And I would have told you already what are the intentions for the house. No. See? Yeah. I must say that I have seen many distractions going around. Some lurking, some already gone out, more is to come. But one thing I can say is this. If you don't know who Colaz is, if you don't know who me is, y'all know that I am firmly planted as a strong column with a mission, with a purpose that no physical man can derail or sidetrack me from. You see me? And I'm not giving attention to any of those who are trying to do so. I'm just making it known to you people. So, if you don't need to come hard, you come hard. See? I just make you know clear. Say, I am firmly rooted. Yeah, man, firmly rooted. And this mission that was given to me wasn't given to me by myself. Because, trust me, if it was for me, I would have walked away a long time from all of this. You know? But one wouldn't even understand. So, like I say, I've seen many things over the past couple of weeks, as you may, with some personal vendettas against me specifically, even when some of the things have nothing to do with me, literally nothing to do with me, because I've seen where people bringing some relationship issues, and in that calling Colaz Smith name. And I just laugh and shake it off, because whether or not a person, two persons in a relationship, when the relationship is sweet, there's no third party. So how comes when the relationship gets sour, there is a third party? But anyways, I'm not feeding into whatever they are offering. I'm not interested in that. I am focused on the mission that I have to finish and to complete, and nothing can stop me. See? Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Let me tell you this. Nothing at all. Yeah? Because you know, at the end of the day, so where strength come from, and that's who we trust, and that's who we believe. So whose report we not believe? See? Yeah. You see? There, believe it or not, there's more for me than those who are against me. So I don't really worry. You see me?
Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. I hope everybody are doing well. Seen? So we're back again for your next reasoning, don't? I want to say welcome to all the people who been tuning in, the one them who find the content interesting and find the time for, take the time out for, you understand? Give the listening and share your opinion on them kind of thing. They want the maximum respect for the time and, you understand? And the effort want to take to just click the subscription and the notification and all of them nice things. I want to say respect and give thanks. Seen? So we are going to get back into the Colaz TV reasoning and make we see if we can use them little things here as examples so we can, you understand, create a way of going forward. You see it mentally and theoretically and all of the nice alley them. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, because we see a whole heap of things are going that some of them we not too appreciate same way too. You understand? And we just go all a little reasoning with the them. You see it? So today now we see Papi come out and him confirm some of the things them what me did I say from at all a time. You see it? In a most of my video them me people know say me have tremendous amount of respect for Colaz. Seen? As me say, the youth they are the bounty killer of the YouTube. You see it? So Papi come out and him basically I confirm some of the things them what I say. You see it? And yeah, the things them what Papi I say is basically giving respect and gratitude to Colaz for the things them where him do. You see it? Him do a little video where him call in story time. You see it? So they them can go over there and, you understand, observe the video for they themselves same way. You see it? And yeah, we respect Papi for the effort that you see it. And yeah, as we say, gratitude is a must, and for you take the time out there for show the gratitude and respect to the man who help you to reach thus far in your life. Seeing is a good thing. Yeah. So I don't know differently still if is instruction from Colaz differently still, who might ask the item for stay silent on the topical issue where they happen, because there is a problem. Obviously there is a problem, you see it, and you understand. We reached to the point here, but me did hear some man who cover the issue, some other vloggers. Me hear them talk about the silence of some of the team members. And me did kind of find it questionable seeing way too, you know. How comes some of the man them not really come out, come say anything or say anything much? So me I wonder if it's an instruction given to them by Colaz, because maybe him no want the thing to escalate more than where it escalate to, and him just might want it to just quell. But obviously the story now go because people still talk about it and different things happen same way too. As we see whether when Kanta come out and declare some things where him same experience. Seen? But the silence, I demand them differently still. You know what that create? It create rumors, innuendos, conspiracy. You understand? Speculation and then kind of sitting there. See? And if we not get the kind of transparency, see, if we don't get the kind of transparency out of the whole vibration, you know, say, all of them things they go lead up to people go create them own twist to the story. See? People are go start to make it look like, I say, the whole problem, the whole breakdown I come from Grungad and Nick. See? But if it a come from just Grungad and Nick, we shouldn't, they were with the differently still. And this crazy argument about the team go get destroy and all of them little things, it sound concerning, and we don't know if it have to reach this up. But if we don't get clarity on what go on, some of the things them where people out here speculate, and some of the things them where people might have say, where some of the ones they might call negative argument and then kind of things. If we not get no clarity to it, guess what? The negative argument go still a go on. See, people go there speculate and people go there say yes or that they go on. You understand? And we see that the guy gonna work overtime to try to get things in order, cause you understand him a defend Colaz and him a defend the team. But is the team defending themselves? Seeing? Because we are sitting as observers, you know. And if we are watch this channel and we are see different, you understand, slight moves and them kind of things, and we not say people must come hear out them problem in the public differently still, you know. But once the problem come in the public, now the viewers and the subscribers, the supporters, then go start to question things and go on more. What really they happen? You see it? And if the story them a come out and everybody a come out in a one like ambiguous kind of way where everybody afraid for come say what exactly they go on, it a go left doors open for people a go speculate and spread rumor. See? Because we understand say Colaz must have it difficult for work with so much people with different personalities, different still. I mean, know said that one of the hardest thing for do, whether as a manager or a coach or, you understand, a person who hold certain kind of unity together. See? And based on how Papi talk about Colaz, it seems like Colaz is one of them kind of people that who is a motivating youth and him concerned and him caring. So him give that time out there for listen to the youth them and, you understand, show concern in the social development and them personal development same way too. See? So if Colaz is a kind of personality like that, me know say when him see bad vibes come up, it must be difficult for him to get all of them personality together, where personality clash might come in. Because we understand them things then. Because people behave funny one time. A man might day night team and theme duty might be more important, so called, than the next man. And the next man might feel like I say, the next person they probably I get more shine than him or she or whatever. But we need some clarity differently still. See? And me know say the difficulty to keep the team together, it must be tremendous on the bridge in the shoulder, you see, because we don't know. Me is a man where me love football, you see it, and we used to have a football team in our community, see, and you see it, and the football team that used to play in the Division 1 competition, you see it, and them a try to get a run in a National League and them kind of stuff. See, so me understand the difficulty of getting people with different personality working together in a unison. Sometimes personality clash. Sometimes people want to prove their importance or prove their worth. But by doing that, sometimes what them do, it might come across a bit selfish, if you get what I mean. Like sometimes me see some footballer play the match, the forward running at the position to get the ball, but the midfielder take one touch too much, and that cause one little friction between the players. You understand? And then it affect the entire team. See? Because me remember one time, the football team in my community, it did have one whole heap of excellent players, some whole heap of good players when they on the football team. You see, some youth just left the cup and, well, you understand, hungry feet and them kind of thing. And you have some elderly in the team same way, where well sharp same way too. So you understand, we have a good team that season it. And remember one match, yeah? We go play one Premier League team. One team was there in the Premier League. So it was like a little playoff scene, and we play the team and we hold the team to a 1-1 draw. See? And it's almost like something what was expected. It's like we did expect to lose the match the differently still, because we are going at the match as the underdog, obviously. See? But may I tell you, say differently still, the team play extremely well that day. See? But anyway, after we left the match now, and people reach back then, yeah, day night street, everybody talk about the football match. You see it, and how well the team play, and you understand? People start to point out, oh, you remember the pass there, what the mad person you make? You remember the beat there, what that man they beat the defender? And all of them little things they start to discuss amongst we as brethren. See? So watch you now. A man in the crowd say, like him a compare the two midfielder, and the two midfielder when play exceptionally well the day. See? And the man go say, if this a midfielder, yeah, better than the next midfielder, and a debate go start up, who play better in the game. Yeah, that was the question. Which one of the midfielder play better? See, remember the two midfielder, like they went up on an ear game. See, and a two well experienced, well bad footballers me I talk about. See, so what you know? The man go ask the question now, which one of them play better? And it split the conversation now, because some people are saying, yeah man, that the man that play better, and that the man that play better, and that the man that play more passes than that the man there. And until the same man who asked the question, you know, him and one of the midfielder them a bridging, so now him go back and him go reason with him bridging now. And it's almost like a twist take to the conversation now when him go back to him bridging, because him a make it look like I say now the people them rate the next midfielder over this man here, which that wasn't the story and it wasn't the case. See, but through my man they got here now say people are compare and say that the man they better than him. It casts like a little semi-rift between the two midfielder, and that affect the entire team. You see? And me see the difficulty what the coach will have to get back the man them together for the common good, for work, for bring the team to where them did want it to go. So I understand totally what Colaz must have gone through, or why him still a got through for all that thing here together. See? But as I say, the conspiracy and the rumors we continue to spread as long as the silence remain. See? One of the things when me see when me notice differently still is that me don't know differently still, because me just a look on it from the outside. You see, and when me see Nick walk up to Colaz differently still, and the way how Nick approach Colaz and the way how him talk to Colaz, it's almost like him sure of Colaz, like him it's almost like he's a man where psychologically him look down upon Colaz. See? Me don't know in the community if before Colaz bus, if Nick family went up on one higher social status than Colaz, because that can play into how people perceive things and deal with each other. Because Jamaica is a little classist place, and people use them little social status as a chip on their shoulder. You see it, and then look down upon people in their own community based on their social status. See? So that I come through my mind, and I say, I wonder if that are the situation, or that are the case. Or if Nick is a youth where he have certain kind of tough links where he can intimidate people. See? Because it a go back to whisper me, I say, why we not feel free to give we opinion, because it's either we fear the repercussion, or is that a little problem they go on in our team and them don't want the public to know. Because me don't understand how Nick wields so much power. Seeing because most of the argument the moment I hear it a lead back to Nick. You understand? It a lead back to whisper people I say Nick and Grungada cause the intimidation and cause this and cause that. You understand? And if the youth them get certain kind of instruction from Colaz, we say, don't talk about it differently still. See? Because how comes a youth now, like Al Kanta, were giving opinion? Because he then look like a Kanta, the only one where kind of speak on the situation certain kind of way. And then Kanta, if he come out now and I say, he might get threatened because of things what him say. See? So now me a question now, within the community now differently still. Is it a situation so the rest of team member them who live in a community, them all certain kind of loyalty to them bridging them what they grew up with? Cause as Papi say, Colaz was out of the community and then him come back in a place and you understand? So me I wonder if all of that have nothing to do with how the man them treat the friendship with Colaz. If them see Colaz only as a business friendship or a genuine friendship, or you understand? We need to know them things are differently still, because if we don't know differently still, certain perception go create. You see it? And people accept things based on how them perceive it. See? Even though perception is nobody's reality, you know. It's not my reality and it's not your reality. You see it? But as I said, them things here, it creates rumors and it creates speculation. And if people don't know the truth, then go settle for something where it seem like the truth. See? Because if I adjust the house differently still, and the changing of the mind for do something different, because watch you know, it's obvious. If the man when decides say he go give the daughter the house, see, and for some reason she start to bick about the speed and the condition of the place, and you understand? Then our baby father get disrespectful and all kind of different things. Then obviously the man go change his mind. You understand? The man is, you understand? And like I say, is a robot who just program for do something and then from the program put in and just go execute. Now man, the man go consider and him go think back and him go say, alright, that's how I think then, alright. Him make him move now. See? So now him decide say him go do whatever him want to do with the place. Problem now start and people are get threatened because of the opinion what they share about it. Just that alone differently still is either Nick have certain kind of status in our community where he might move around and intimidate people, and he might try to drive some fear, so certain things where Colaz probably want to do, he might have to reconsider on them kind of things. If what Kanta say, if we take what Kanta say with any kind of seriousness, and me take it with some kind of seriousness differently still. You see, as something one experience. He might not tell we directly how him experience it, but me feel like I say him experience something still. Seeing? And if Nick wield them kind of power there in our community, that's, you understand? Because me don't know if if Grungad really wield the kind of power where she can get people to intimidate and bother people and them kind of things. And if that are the only reason, just because the man change his mind about the house, is that the only reason why the cause all of them problem here? And how comes the team member them so silent? Seeing? Because big up to Papi still, you know. And me hear what Papi said differently still. But what the message what Papi bring out in the video this morning, it not bring no clarity upon the problem where exists at the moment. Seeing? And him kinda I try to say something about it and then he just pull back himself. He restrain himself from saying anything about it. So me I wonder to myself, say, what the cause them youth have to want to come out come say exactly what they want. Seeing? Cause me feel like I say certain kind of conversation still a hold behind Colaz back. Me don't feel like I say a Grungad and Nick alone. You understand? Because you have people in a community where them a family. So that bind them together. You understand? You have people in a community where a friend and that bind them together. You have one next set of people now where them a deal with Colaz and them a deal with their family and their friend. Colaz and their family and their friend might not see eye to eye. So that put them in a one like a compromising place. And it come like I said, nobody no want to say nothing too much because them fear say then go look bad one way or the other. So them just a hope say all of this just go blow away. But if we are get information say people are come under threat and people are get intimidated because of things where they might say and opinions where they might hold. You understand? And it a reach down to death threats them kind of way there. Seeing, because apart from Grungad not getting the house, what else where happen? And how that affect fear life to the point where people are going to start to get death threat over it. I don't know, something just not sit well with that story differently with me still. You see? Too much little ambiguous kind of reasoning on it and them kind of thing. You see? And because we are get the information from people where mainly what you that say now. Because me hear that the argument here I come out more and more in the conversation, you know, the argument of loyalty. You understand? Which vloggers and which vloggers and which vloggers and which vloggers loyal to Colaz. Seeing? But at the same time, me hear the man them a say them loyal and them unbiased. Well, them two words they don't really work together in the same sentence. You understand? Because if you pre the thing deeply, you can loyal to a person and say you're unbiased. Because if you're loyal to that person there, to that thing there, to whatever, that alone go compromise. You understand? How biased or unbiased you are. Don't it? Well, me feel so. See? Because only by things them what we are seeing, right and wrong, truth and lie. Some of them sitting there just relative, you know. See? And some of them subjective same way too. But what we feel loyal to are the objective truth. And the truth we must be loyal to. Seeing, because as viewers and as people who like certain things and rate some people differently still, we not to rate them to the point where it compromises with judgment. Seeing, because if information come out for sure some light against some things where we did all as loyal people, what we go do? We go become extreme in our mindset now, because it's either we go try to eliminate them information there, and that go make we start to creep on one like a corrupt way now, because we now go highlight certain information because we're loyal to a group or loyal to a person. You see? And what we must be loyal to is the truth. You see it? And the truth we want to see come out. See? We there not too much suspense. And once we there in a suspense, we go start to make speculation. And we go use bits and pieces of information what we get to try to decipher this big old thing. And most of it, you understand, we now go reach the bottom of it. And chances are we might love or hate the wrong person. So once I give thanks to the moment, you see it. Go and bless up the eye themselves. Take care of the eye them family. Continue to give Colaz Smith the kind of support what him deserve. You see it? I want to say much respect to all of the people them who are tuning in and give an opinion and an insight and all of them things. We want to say continue to do so, and we hope to link again in the next video. You see? So we want to give thanks to the moment. Go and take care of their themselves. You see? Rastafari live. Blessed.